I have news coming in from Lahore in Pakistan. Series of loud explosions have been heard in the city of Lahore. Loud explosions heard on a key road, a street in the city. Residents have gone into panic. After these explosions have been heard, several residents were seen rushing out. Cops revealed that there have been drone explosions. Remember, there's also been a certain panic uncertainty mode. India targeted the terror hubs in Bahawalpur, in Muridke. Muridke, in fact, is close to the city of Lahore. Lahore police says a large drone has been shot down. This is a developing story. So we are putting out what is confirmed information that a series of loud explosions were heard on the Walton Road in Lahore. Police officials have said multiple blasts were heard. This was on the Walton Road in the Gopal Nagar and Nasirabad areas of Lahore. People have been reported to be coming out in panic. There have been clouds of smoke reported. Now, we do not know the source of these explosions. It's a developing story. We'll continue to get you updates as and when more confirmations come in on this. A drone measuring 5 to 6 feet was shot down, is what the cops are claiming. Our foreign affairs editor, Geeta Mohan, has details on that. Geeta, tell me more. It's the city of Lahore after all. What are you picking up about details?
Well, these are just details that are coming from Pakistani media, and there is no confirmation as to where this has come from, whether the drone, the possible drone blasts that were heard or explosions that were heard were because of a drill gone wrong. We do not really know, but yes, reports suggesting that there were multiple blasts that were heard on Walton Road. This is in Lahore and the heart of Lahore in many ways than one. And so, yes, people are in panic mode. According to police sources that the Pakistani media is reporting, these are drone explosions. But again, we do not know what the nature of this entire incident is, whether it has to do with India and Pakistan or particularly their own mock drills and war drills that they're working on, where the jamming systems were activated, and then the drones that, according to reports measuring 5 to 6 feet, were shot down.
This also because there would be an understandable panic, even though, of course, there's no clarity what is the source of these explosions. But because Muridke terror hub was targeted in a precision strike by India, which is Lashkar-e-Taiba Hafiz Saeed's hub, that possibly they believe that Lahore could also be on the target. But at a juncture like this, remember, it is this panic of Pakistan that is reflecting, not what India is doing. Geeta, tell me, what is the sentiment that you're picking up from the ground, from Pakistan media, when it comes to even threats from right now also, their ministers, a nuke threat that India will have to pay, says Shehbaz Sharif?
Well, the Pakistani premier yesterday in an address to the nation has made it very clear that there is no de-escalation. India has said that India was going to respond in full measure. Is because it was about 2 weeks and yet Pakistan had not acted against terrorists and terror networks within Pakistan who were responsible for the Pahalgam terror attack, and therefore India had to take the action that India did. The onus now lies on Pakistan to de-escalate tensions. But Pakistani premier had made it very clear that Pakistan is going to respond to the actions taken by India, which means hardly any de-escalation over here, Pooja. India preparing itself for any action from the Pakistani end. There already have been ceasefire violations leading to deaths of civilians, innocent lives in Jammu and Kashmir, and one has to wait and see what more is Pakistan going to do. So preparedness in India, various cities are preparing, various schools are being told how children should learn to handle a situation wherein there are going to be sirens and an emergency situation. Colonies are preparing themselves. But yes, again, we'll have to wait and see what Pakistan...
And Geeta, I just want to reiterate for the viewer what you're telling us. We are quoting from Pakistan media. These are, remember, reports that have no clarity right now. What is the source of the explosions? What exactly has happened?